Hey everybody, it's Dave from Clean Pro Supply. Here we're going to show you how Clean Advantage Solvent Sealer works on polished granite tile, nylon carpet, and concrete. From looking at this right now, you can't tell what is sealed and what is not sealed. And the reason for that is because this is a penetrating solvent sealer. It is not topical. It's not going to leave a wet look or any of that. So it's invisible to the eye. Especially in the concrete, you don't know which side is sealed just by looking at it right now. But we have here a can of Coca-Cola, and I'm going to start by showing you on the polished granite tile here. Left side is not sealed. Of course, there is going to be some surface tension just because it's, granite. On the on the right, once it fizzes down a little bit, you'll see the difference here. So on the right-hand side, there's more bubbles within the spot there. The reason for that is because of the surface tension from the sealer, whereas there's no sealer on the left. Looking at it close to the naked eye, I can also see there's better surface tension around the edges. On the camera, you may or may not be able to see that. But now moving over to the carpet here. Now that does beat up a little bit. These are samples that I got from a rug store or a carpet store. They do come with a factory protectant on there. What comes on this one specifically, I'm honestly not sure. But this is the tag that's on the back. Oh, actually, Stain Master. So that's what this carpet is here. It's got Stain Master on it. So again, this is the left side. That's direct from the manufacturer, just as a carpet sample. Now, if you look on the right-hand side, this is after applying the Clean Advantage Solvent Sealer. See how it just beads up and shoots around? Now we'll let that soak and you'll see where it penetrates in and where it doesn't. Now while that's soaking, we're going to come up here to the concrete. And again, on the left-hand side is unsealed. See how that soaks right in? On the right side is sealed. See the bubbles that just shoot around? They just disperse. Whereas that just soaks right in. Huge difference. Now if you look at the carpet, see where it soaks in? It's been about, maybe a minute, if that. This is all soaking right into the carpet. This is staying on top. So there you go, guys. Clean Advantage Solvent Sealer from Clean Pro Supply. We also have a couple sprayers here, the Clean Gear sprayers. If you guys ever need anything, check us out, cleanprosupply.com. Have a good day.